Hello, students. Welcome to another episode of our biology series. Today, we'll be looking at human nutrition and we'll be starting with food. Food supplies living organisms with molecules that are the raw materials for repair, growth, and development of body tissues. An adequate diet provides sufficient energy for the performance of metabolic work. A balanced diet provides all dietary requirements in the correct proportions needed to carry out life processes. It should contain carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, vitamins and minerals, water and dietary fiber. Malnutrition occurs when a diet does not provide all the nutrients in the correct amount. A person may suffer from malnutrition. Classes of food, starting with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, dietary sources of carbohydrates include rice, potatoes, wheat, pasta, cereals, food sweetenings such as desserts, sweets, soft drinks, cane sugar, and so on. Functions of carbohydrates in humans is a source of energy, and the glucose is oxidized in respiration to release energy for active transport. It also aids metabolic activities, and excess carbohydrate is stored as glycogen. Lipids, dietary sources of lipids include meat and animal foods such as egg, milk, cheese. In plants, we can get lipids from sunflower seeds and peanuts. Functions of lipids in humans, it is a source of energy and insulation. Protein sources, animal sources include meat, fish, and egg. Plant sources include peas, beans, and pulses. Functions of proteins in humans, enzymes, which are formed by proteins. Transport molecules, such as hemoglobin, is also formed by proteins. Structural materials, such as muscles, hormones, antibodies for defense against diseases, are made from proteins. Protein deficiency causes marasmus or kwashiorkor. Vitamin, another class of food. We have classes of vitamins. We have the water soluble vitamins and the fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamin includes vitamin C. Dietary sources of vitamin C is cherries, fruits, citrus fruits like lime, lemon, oranges, and leafy green vegetables. Symptoms of deficiency of vitamin C is scurvy. Its production of collagen fibers in the body are inhibited. Fat soluble vitamins. Examples of fat soluble vitamins is vitamin D. Dietary sources of vitamin D are liver, dairy products, eggs, fish liver oil, and so on. Symptoms of deficiency of vitamin D is rickets. Bones are soft and may bend because vitamin D is needed for the absorption of calcium. Minerals. Minerals, example of minerals, e.g., iron, is gotten from red meat, liver, and leafy green vegetables. Deficiency of iron in the diet can lead to shortage of oxygen transported within the body because iron is needed to produce hemoglobin for red blood cells. Calcium, another vital mineral in our diet, is gotten from milk, cheese, and fish. Symptoms of deficiency of calcium is weak bones, poor clotting of blood, uncontrolled muscle contractions. Quick question. Scurvy occurs as a result of vitamin C deficiency. True or false? True. Vitamin D is needed for the absorption of calcium. True or false? True. So this I have some random questions here to test our basic biology. Too much salt causes high blood pressure. It is believed that too much salt causes high blood pressure within the body system. Too little iron causes anemia, blood shortage. Too much fat causes hardening of arteries. Not enough fiber causes constipation. Too little protein causes slow growth of muscles. Other sources of classes of food are water and fiber. Water forms 70% of the human body. Two-thirds of this water is in the cytoplasm of cells. One third is in the tissue fluid and plasma. Humans gain water from drinks, foods, and metabolic processes such as aerobic respiration. Humans lose water through urine, feces, in exhaled air, and sweat. Fiber. Fiber. Dietary fiber is the indigestible part of food, largely comprised of cellulose from plants. Shortage of fiber can cause constipation and may be a factor in developing bowel cancer. Fibers are largely cellulose from plants and it provides bulk for feces. True or false? True. So coming to our activities, our regular activities, we always add activities to test our knowledge of what we have learned. And some of these questions are gotten from Cambridge past questions. Which substance is found in a health diet helps to prevent constipation? Fiber. And absence of what from the diet causes scurvy? Vitamin C. Which food nutrients could be best for a child who has rickets? Since rickets is a deficiency of vitamin D and calcium is helps in the absorption of vitamin D, this would be the correct option. Which nutrient is needed to produce hemoglobin for red blood cells? Iron. With this, we come to the end of another episode of our biology series. Watch out for the concluding part of human nutrition. We'll be looking at digestion and we'll be looking at physical and chemical digestion. Stay tuned. Remember to look up our website www.edubbey.com for more materials and resources. Thank you.